and then practically we will practice it tomorrow. Okay, so directly going and practicing in tenant, okay, will make you confused. Okay, you have to understand what exactly the theoretical part as well. Then only you can go and practice. Not only for this, for each and every topic first we will see theoretical part. The same we are going to implement in our live tenant. Okay, this would be the pattern for each and everything. Okay. Okay. Now let me show. Okay, let me show my screen and show you some Excels and PPTs. Okay, are you able to see my screen? Please tell me if you are able to see my screen. Is it visible? My screen is visible with an Excel?
Yes, yes, yes.
Is it visible, right?
Visible.
Okay. Okay. This is our course content. What we discussed previously was not going to happen. That means was not going to happen in the sense I modified it in an overview way, I mean in a high level way, but all the topics will be covered. That's for sure, no need to worry. So if you are feeling anything is missing, you can please make a note of it and you can tell me so that we will discuss those as well. Okay, this is like an overview for a high level course concept in our Workday. Okay. So since we didn't discuss about this, here I mentioned the technical part as well. So since we didn't discuss about all these things, let me go through once again for you, and then we will see. We will go to our We will go to our theoretical part, and then we are practical part. Okay, same, it's similar. Just I made it like a high level. That's all. Instead of seeing that much course points, I just made it in a very simple manner. Okay, the first thing is core concepts and navigation basics. Okay, as I said you earlier, core concepts. What are the core concepts in our Workday HCM? Okay, what going to be the core concepts in our HCM? What called business object? Okay, how to navigate it? So I showed the profile of the worker, right? So we navigated to inbox, we navigated to W drive, we navigated to reports. So you don't know how to navigate it, right? So we are going to see the navigation throughout our session. Okay, throughout our 30-day session, we are going to see the navigation. Okay, and business objects, even business objects also we are going to see throughout the 30-day sessions. Okay, because business objects are the heart of the Workday core HCM. Okay, that we are going to see in our first thing. And the next thing is organization setup. Organization setup is nothing but, see, why we are using Workday? To maintain our employee database, right? Without organization, how employees will come? Am I right? So, for that kind of reason, I set up an organization. That too, like in different levels. Okay, you will be having CEO at the topmost level, or MD at the topmost level, or else chairman at the topmost level in the organization. Okay, so everything we are going to see those. Okay, and under CEO many will be there. Okay, how to map them? Okay, see, you are reporting to XYZ manager. XYZ manager is reporting to ABC manager. ABC manager is reporting to CEO. So indirectly you will be reporting to CEO, right? Directly you will be reporting to your ABC manager. ABC manager will be directly reporting to CEO. you will be indirectly reporting to CEO. How that link should be happen in Workday? That also we are going to see here. Okay, and location. See, I will be having locations in, I will be having my organization in many locations, right? So for that, okay, I have to create the location. Okay, so again in location, see, if you take in India, okay, I have an office in Delhi, Mumbai, Gurgaon, in every places I have. So all this will come into one region, right? All will come into one region. So all these sublocations will be under that hierarchy. Hierarchy is nothing but a tree. Okay, so tree structure. So how we have to assign the locations to our location hierarchy. How to create the location hierarchy here. So all this we are going to see. Okay. One second, please. Okay. So all these we are going to see in our organization setup. Okay, what we have seeing in core concepts, what are all the business objects available in our workday, why the business objects are so important in our workday, and a navigation, how to navigate it. Okay, if you want to see the worker, how to navigate it. If you want to see worker job profile, or else if you want to see worker pay group, if you want to see worker compensation, okay, if you want to see worker personal information, so you don't know, right? Initially you might be know, you might don't know because you are very new to Workday. So these are a very minimum basics which you have to learn before entering into a Workday course. So all navigations, okay, because to perform anything, okay, in Workday there is no coding, right? So everything is depends upon our navigations. So that's why I told you, like, throughout that 30-day session we will learn navigations, and everywhere we are using the business objects because those are the core part of the HCM. That's why we will learn the business objects. What are the business objects? How the business objects, okay, are implemented in Workday. Everything we are going to learn it here. And in organization setup, see, we are going to learn supervisory, subordinate, matrix. As I told you, okay, we have, okay, we are telling that Workday is using for employee database to maintain employee database. Without a company, I can't maintain my employee. There is no concept of employees without a company, right? And in a company, there will be having different level of people like CEO, chairman, MD, managers, project managers, employees. This way, many management levels will be there. For them, we are going to create the supervisory organization. Okay, and I'll tell you, okay, supervisory organization is very important thing in our workday because everything will be, okay, everything will be depends upon the supervisory organization. If you have to create, if you have to assign, if you have to delete, everything will be depends upon the supervisory organization. Okay, see, subordinate organization in the sense, as I said you, chairman is there, under chairman CEO is there, under CEO some marketing manager, under marketing manager some product manager, team lead, employees are there. So they are all called as the subordinate organizations. That means they all will be reporting directly and indirectly to the CEO or chairman. Okay, so how we have to form that link? Okay, so how we are going to map it? that we will be seeing in the organizations. And cost center location hierarchy region is nothing but, okay, cost center is purely depends upon the payroll related. Mostly financial people will work on it, but what we will do as HCM consultant, we will create the cost centers, we will assign the cost centers to the employees, we will delete the cost centers, or else we will move a person from one cost center to another cost centers. All this we will be doing as a HCM consultant. Okay, and location. See, without a location, a company can't be created, right? Company should be placed in one of the location. Example, I take like XYZ company is there in my Hyderabad, and even the company is there in my Bangalore, Gujarat, Chennai. Okay, so if it is one location, I'll create it. So in one location only I can see my company. But if I have my company globally, across the world, in India, in APAC, in APAC region, in US region, in UK region, how to? Because in APAC region I have my company in India, Singapore, Malaysia. Okay, in many countries I have it, and in US I have, in North America, South America, in many states I have, in many countries also I have. So how to map it? Okay, in America, okay, that is the region. In America, I have different states. So all the different states will be created and will make as a hierarchy. That means as a tree structure. If you go for North America is a headquarter for all the locations in North America. If you take South America, if you have any companies in South America, all that companies will become as an, okay, subordinates for the North America or South America. Okay, so we are saying like just a simple thing. One owner will be there, okay, in for a location. Under that, all other locations will be there. Just to tracking purpose. I'll tell you what exactly a tracking purpose. Okay, suppose let's take we are implemented our Workday to our company. Now HR is asking to give me some data, right? I need some data from the employees who are from North America. Okay, so how we will go? And she said like, suppose if I wanted to change the report for myself instead of North America to South America, how we will give it? So to track all the employees in that manner, that is for reporting purpose. Okay, to create the reports, we will create all these things to segregate our employees and to maintain it in very easy manner. We will create all these things in a structural way. Okay, that will come under location. Location is nothing but what are all the locations we have. Okay, in India, what are all the locations we have in Singapore. India and Singapore will be coming as India is coming as a region. Singapore is coming as a region. India and Singapore both will belong to APAC region. So APAC region is nothing but regional hierarchy. Under APAC region, I will be having India, Singapore, Malaysia. Under Singapore, Malaysia, India, I will be having, okay, locations. Okay, that is one more thing we are going to see here. And what are the staffing models? Staffing models are nothing but, okay, how to put your employee database. In what way you are planning to put your employee database is nothing but the staffing model. In Workday, we have two types of staffing models. One is position. Sorry, three was there. Now one got deprecated. Okay, one is no longer using now. So I'll show you. But back in the sense, in some other screen we can see the three, but if you see in front end we will not see it. That I'll show you. We have three staffing models. One is headcount, one is position, and one is job management. Okay. Now headcount management is no longer available, that got deprecated, and we have position and job management. Many of the organizations are using the position management. Very rarely some people are using the job management. Okay, and what is the difference between job and position? Okay, position will be creating on my supervisory organization. So instead of telling you all the differences, let me give you an overview. So when we are coming to the topic in detail, I'll show you the differences. A simple example, IT industry and some what example I can give? Okay, real estate. Okay, now in real estate I want 100 labors. What they will do? They'll come, they will work, and they'll go off. So I no need to play some. I no need to allocate some place to him where he can sit and work and have to come again and have to sit and work and do all the things. And I don't want make him like a position which is not a very criticality is called the job management. I can use it for real estate or marketing where I can hire a bulk employees. I can take it as a job management. If it is a position management in the sense are IT industries. Okay, we'll be having different structures, different level of positions. Okay, and the criticality will be there in that position. I need to allocate some place to an employee. He will come, he will sit, he will work, and then he will go off, right? Again, he will come and he will sit and he will work. If he is about to leave, I'll play some other one to accommodate that position. I'll be having some criticality in that position because we are serving to our client. Okay, so there will be some upstreams and downstreams files which will affect their business, right? So in that way we are using the position management. Okay, in position management, okay, we will be creating supervisory organizations and everything, but in job management there is no concept of that organization. Okay, I'll tell you the detailed discussion when we are entering into the staffing models. Okay, this is just for your learning, just for your information. I'm giving you all the details. Okay. Now the next thing is jobs and positions. So up to now we discussed job position. What exactly a position? What exactly a job? Let me tell you what exactly a job, what exactly a position. Okay. Now you might be seeing, right? They will be calling you for an interview. What will be there if you are getting a call for an interview, or else you are getting an email for an interview? Okay. What they will mention? We have a job opportunity who has a very good experience on Workday techno-functional, okay? Workday techno-functional with so and so modules, okay? With so and so modules, they will be sending you a job. And in below, they maintain like number of positions is equal to 1, number of positions is equal to bulk, number of positions are equal to 2, 5. In that way, they mention, right? So that is called our position. Okay. So creating the position is nothing but that only. Job is nothing but in that position, what is your job? What is your role and responsibility in that position? Position will be like your title, I can say. Title. Okay. He will be like a manager, or else he will be like an some other consultant. In that way he will be there. Job position is nothing but that is only, and for one job you will be having different positions, right? Suppose if I am hiring a Workday functional analyst, I will not only hire one functional analyst. I will be hiring 2 or 3, depends upon my requirement. So all that 2 or 3 called as a positions. Okay, those are called as a positions. Okay, that is one thing. And the next thing is job. So here we will get the job profiles and families. What exactly job profile and job family is nothing but profile is what you are going to work. Family is nothing but, see, in our positions, let's say we will be having into IT, okay, and we will be having into marketing, we will be into HR, right? So we will be into some non-IT, So all these are called as a job family. Under this, okay, under this we will be having job family group as well. I'll show you while discussing, and then I'll tell you the exact difference. What, not exact difference. So it will be very easy for you also to correlate, because when I'm showing you practically, it will be very easy for you also to correlate. That's what. Okay, here we will be having job profile, job family group. Okay, will be there. I'll show you all the differences and how to create it. Okay, and these are correlated to one and each other. Okay, if I have to create a position, okay, I need to create a job family, I need to create a job profile, I need to create a job family group. Once I created all these things and I'm set with this, I can go and create my position. Okay, that's why. So when I'm creating the position, it will be easy for you to differentiate as well. Okay, that's what we will see in our job profiles and job families. Now, compensation. Compensation is nothing but, obviously everyone will be having the compensation if they are working, right? But the thing is how to provide that compensation to them. Okay, I cannot give the same compensation to each and everyone, right? There will be vary for each and every employee in their compensation levels. Okay, how to create that compensation? How to show the differences? Let's say, okay, I have 1 year of experience guy in my organization. For him, I am paying 3 lakhs. For 2 years, I am paying some 4 lakhs. For 3 years, I am paying 5 lakhs. How I am paying it? How I am, okay, making the difference? How I have to identify this much only I have to pay for 2 years of experience, 3 years of experience. How I have to identify it? That is called the compensation rule, package and grade. In my salary, I'll be having, okay, different plans as well, right? My alliance plan, meal plan, core alliances or internet alliances, everything will be there. Okay, all your salary, your benefits, everything will mix and come as a package. Grade is nothing but, so you will be in A1 grade. Organization will be having a rules, right, for ASC. That means associate software engineer, 3 lakhs should be given. For software engineer, 4 lakhs. For senior software engineer, for 5 lakhs. Those are called as the grades. Associate software engineer, senior software engineer. For everyone, we will maintain some grades. That we will be creating it. Okay. Okay, now security groups. So I'm telling that we have to create that, we have to create this and everything. In Workday, without a security, without a permission, we cannot, okay, create, we cannot view, we cannot edit anything. Okay, so to view, to edit it, what are the securities you have to see? Okay, what type of security you have? Okay, how to create those security types? What are the security policies and how I have to assign that security to a user? User is nothing but an employee. Role is nothing but their role, like a software engineer, manager, or else HR administrator. So their role. So how to do that? We will be seeing in our securities. Okay. Here we will be having two different types of securities. One is domain and one is business process. So we will see what exactly domain and what exactly business process. Okay. And the next one is business process configurations and transactions. What is called a business process transactions and configurations? Business is nothing but my organization. Process is nothing but my policies, organization policies, and how I have to transact all the policies. Okay, let's take I'm hiring an employee. I cannot go and directly hire it, right? Or someone can't go in directly hire it. HR has to initiate the hiring process. Once HR initiated, it has to go to the several approvals. Once everyone approved, then only a hire can be completed, right? So not only hire, for compensation, for security groups, for terminating an employee, if I'm planning to move that worker from one organization to another organization, for each and everything, I need some approvals. These are all called the business rules. Okay, the company is having that kind of rules to seek some approvals if any transaction is happening in their organization. So all these, okay, see, I cannot go and send an email to each and everyone to approve it, right? So if it is very really tough for me, so we will automate the process. Automatically the approvals will go to their inboxes. Okay, so how it will go, how we will configure it, that we will see it in our business process transactions and configurations. Okay, that we will see in our business process and configuration. Up to here our function part will get over. Again we will move it to our technical. In technical we will see the reporting. Okay, so what kind of reports we will build it, okay, what kind of reports we have exactly in our Workday, and what is the purpose of the Workday, and what is the difference between each and every report type. Okay, so and what are the calculated fields, what how we will write the calculated fields, and what is the use of it, what kind of logic we are going to write there. Okay, this also we are going to see in our reporting. That is nothing but a report writer. Okay, and EIB, enterprise interface builder, that is nothing but, okay, in integrations, in technical we will call those as integrations. In integrations we have three types. Okay, one is EIB, and one is connectors, and one is Workday Studio. Okay, so what is the difference between each and everything? Why we have to choose EIB, why we have to choose connector, why we have to choose Studio? Okay, so if you take in that way, suppose if I want to send any file from Workday to my third party system, that means legacy system, I'll go for integrations. Okay, now let's take your company is there, your company is dealing with some other benefit vendor to provide benefits for the employees. So how that benefit vendor will be knowing how many employees is there in my organization, who are all terminating, who are all hiring, who are all moving from this organization, from this location to another location, right? So daily I can't send some files to them, and that is too much secure also. So what I'll do, I'll write some integrations, and then I'll schedule the integrations to send that file every day or every week or every month, depends upon my requirement and the vendor requirement. I will schedule it. Okay, so automatically the files will go and store in this server. Okay, so we are going to see that how it will happen. Okay, in EIB. For the same purpose we are using connectors and Studio also, but why for the same purpose I'm using different things. Okay, see, at a time, okay, EIB is nothing but one-to-one. Okay, only one file I can send at a time to only one vendor, one third party server. If I wanted to one file to different third party servers at a time, I'll go for a cloud connector. Okay, if I wanted to send multiple files and receive multiple files, in the sense I'll go for Workday Studio. So these are the difference between all the three. Okay, now this is the other topics which I'll cover for you in order to get an idea if you are seeing anything related to this once you are getting a job in Workday. Okay, what are the benefits and types? So apart from my HCM, I'll be telling you these things as well as an overview and few real-time issues what we will get in these modules. Okay, this is our entire course content. When functional and technical, on day by and every day we will be seeing each and every concept theoretically. Okay, so anyhow I explained you theoretically now, but again I'll explain you while we are entering into the each and every topic. Okay, that's fine. Do you have any clear on our course content part and what exactly what we are going to see? If you have anything, you can tell me.
What is the long form of EIB?
Enterprise Interface Builder.
Okay, okay. And syllabus is enough for us?
It's very more than enough.
Okay, ma'am.
It's really more than enough to get a job. Since I'm covering each and every topic, it's really more. Okay. Any other? Any other doubts?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. See, what and all we discussed so far is mentioned here. Okay. See, these are the theoretically I mentioned it in an PPT and I'll show it to you daily whenever we are getting that concept. Since this is introductory sessions, I don't want to take too much time. From tomorrow, we will directly move on to our practical sessions. So hope you get a very clear idea on our topics, what we are going to discuss, and what exactly what topic it belongs to, and what difference between cloud computing and Workday, cloud ERP, and everything. Right? You are having some idea now. Am I right? So now we are good to go to start our practicals. If anyone having doubts, please ask me. Don't hesitate to ask the doubts. So if you don't have any doubts, I'll wind up for today. I don't want to waste anyone's time. Okay. From tomorrow, the session will be for 1 hour. Okay, because from tomorrow we are going to start into our practical part. So tomorrow we are going to see the how to create. We discussed, right? Business object, navigation, supervisory organization, how to create each and everything. That we are going to see in our tenant. Then you will be getting some more confident on your Workday part. Okay. Shall we wind up?
Okay.
No, I'm not listening anyone.
Hello.
Yeah, please. Sorry, your voice is breaking.
Is it clear now?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we are going.
I'm really sorry. Your voice is again breaking. It's breaking and it's not clear also.
Okay.
Ma'am, he just asking you. Today we just taking syllabus, and one by one from tomorrow you will take one by one syllabus.
Yes, exactly. See, before going directly and jumping into our syllabus, or this is what I'm creating, I'm doing, I'm editing it, you must have to have some knowledge on what we are discussing it, for what we are using it, right? See, that will be, see, telling the topics is very easy for me and I can finish it very soon. I don't want to do in that way
Yes, yes,
because you are very new
yes,
to the Workday. You have to be understand. If they ask you like what is staffing model, for what purpose you are using it. If I'm
Okay,
not
yes.
saying that, yes, if I'm not saying that, you'll be not aware of it, right? Since
Yes,
that's
yes.
why, to understand you what are all the topics and for what purpose we are using each and every topic, if you are aware of it, that would be easy for you when we are starting working in that particular concept. Okay, that day she told about this, so that is what we are seeing it here. Okay, that day she told in that way, oh, this is the what she told. So in that way you can correlate and it would be very easy for you to remember as well.
Okay.
Okay, this is my pattern. I don't know about others. I can't go directly jump and open my tenant and start creating everything and showing it to you. This is not my pattern. I just wanted people who are coming to me, they should be in very clear picture.
Yeah, yeah, that was good because we don't have any idea about syllabus. You go on that
Yes.
step by step also, that will confusing us, no?
Yes.
So first
So
I ask,
no. Not only I'm not just giving you an overview for each and every topic. Just if I say these are all my course content, okay, supervisory organization. What is supervisory organization? You will get it out, right? So that's why I just covered it. What exactly what, and tomorrow I'll go and start with this topic. Okay. So that's why I prepared the PPT as well. See Workday core concept. So in this way we are going to see it. Supervisory organization. First one is supervisory organization, right? See here.
okay,
First one is our organization. So we will cover everything here.
okay,
Okay. I'll tell you what supervisory organization, how in theoretically supervisory organization will be created, what is the purpose, what and all we can see in the supervisory organization. Okay. And next, what is called, see, supervisory organization, region, cost center, matrix. So all these are available here. Am I right? In my course content, everything is available, right?
yes,
So
yes,
in that
yes.
way, day by day, we will see. I mentioned in the simple way as a definitions to learning purpose, and then I mentioned it. This is my organization structure. Okay. So in this way, I'll teach you daily, okay, with my PPT, and I'll correlate that with my practical practice as well in our tenant. No need to worry. My teaching will be entirely different. You will be satisfying it. I'm very much sure for that.
So,
Okay.
madam, hello, hello, madam.
Mm-hmm.
Madam, I have two questions. Yesterday, we look at that navigations.
Yes.
That all screen is default screen for everyone.
Yes. Default screen for everyone.
Okay, okay,
But
okay, okay.
you will be having your name. Actually, we saw Ganesh Narayanan, right? But if you are
Yes,
using
yes.
it, you will be having your name like Vishwas. If I am using it, I'll be having my name Harini. Okay, whoever
But
uses their tenant,
but
they'll be
yesterday,
having.
yesterday that Ganesh Narayanan is looking a different screen, and that Mitchell, that lady's CEO, looking
Mhm.
some different screen.
No, that means I open him in a different tab. Okay, details whatever we are giving it, it will be available. If you are not giving it other details, we cannot. And one more thing, let me tell you, you are an employee. Okay, you will be
Yeah.
having separate access. If I am the
Yes, yes.
manager, I can able to view you. I can able to view your time. I can able to view your leave. I can able to approve it. I will be having these
Yes.
many permissions. But you will be having only for to enter your time. That's all. If you are the
Okay.
manager, then you will be having some certain of actions. Those are all called the securities. Okay, depends on what and all I'm providing it to you. That only you can able to view in your screen. Screen will be same for each and everything. Okay, matter which is available in the screen will be different to person and person. Depends upon the securities.
Yes. That's okay.
That is what will be there.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Madam, we are both working in different organizations like Vishwas and me. So in Workday only, is it possible to see his profile for me from other organization because of we are working on Workday?
I didn't get your question.
Both companies are using Workday, just like company one and company two.
Okay.
Both are using Workday only. So Vishwas profile is created at company one, and my profile is created at company two. Yeah, is it possible to see his profile for me from my
No,
organization?
it's not possible. It's not possible.
Okay. Just because you are searching some Log, Angels, and Ganesh Nara and different names are there, na? So all are working in only one company.
Yes, yes. See, one thing
Okay.
I can tell you, if it is a training tenant, see, this is our training tenant. We are creating many organizations and we are creating the profiles and everything. But in real time, okay,
Okay.
your company will be having different URLs and different passwords. They will be buying some space differently. Okay,
Yeah.
Vishwas company will be buying different space and they will be having different employees, different company, different locations. But
Yes.
in real time, it will not possible. But in our training tenant, what we will do, we will create many positions. We will do everything in one tenant. But in real time, that would be not the case.
Okay. Okay. That's why I'm asking. Yesterday I think some different names are
If we
showing
are
in one
seeing
organization.
that way,
That's why.
then where is the security, right?
Okay.
So they can view your company details, your company revenue, your company cost center, financials, things, everything they can see. So
Okay.
that is not possible.
Okay. Profile is not possible to anyone.
And yeah, not only to anyone.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Madam, when you are covering all these topics, at that time, please tell us some points which asking in interview.
Yeah, surely that. See, if you see here in my Excel, I have allocated 3 days for FAQs. That is for interview questions only. These FAQs are for interview questions. Okay? No worries. I'll tell you. While we are discussing the topics also, I'll tell say to the interviewer while interview everything. I'll tell you.
Madam, is it required to write down any contents like you are given here? Yeah, you are providing everything on soft copy.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Which you are providing this syllabus and everything. We need to write down, or you are providing.
No, I'll provide it. We'll provide this. No need to write. But when we are going throughout the classes, please make a note of the class whatever I'm telling you. See, reading in material is something different, and by
Yeah.
listening, writing is something different. You
Yeah.
write how you understand it, but books will tell in general, right? So it would be easy for you to remember what you understand. Right?
Okay.
So please make a note of it, whatever we are discussing in our daily classes. It would be like a running rows and it would be helpful for you when you are going for an interviews also.
Okay.
Okay, that you have to make a notes of it on our daily classes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, we will give materials, but it would be like running rows. Whenever you are planning to view, you cannot open your laptop and you cannot see all those materials, right? It would be handy for you.
Yeah.
That's what. Okay, any other doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So tomorrow we will start creating our supervisory organization. Okay, and then we will move on to one by one topic wise.
Okay.
Okay. Please, I'm again telling you, please join some bit early. It will become late for me to go to office. Okay.
Okay. From the starting, I joined with Vishwas only. There is no problem because connective problem is there.
Sorry, some disturbance, some work is going here. Yeah, tell me what you said, what you told.
I connected from start only. There is no
Okay.
problem. We will sitting at one desktop. Then other way we are connecting to mobile.
Oh. Okay. 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 Anyhow, please try to join bit early. Okay. By 6:15, if you guys are started joining, okay. Sharp by 6:20, if we start, we will get plenty of time to discuss about our doubts as well. Right? If you are not getting time, we will not remember all our doubts to our next day.
Okay.
Okay. I cannot say that I don't have time to tell you, and I cannot go late to office as well. That's it.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much. Please be on time from tomorrow. At least by 6:15 we have to start the session.
Okay.
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 Okay. Thank you so much for joining.
Hello, Amar. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, Amar.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Yes, you can hear. Hello.
Hello, Amar.
Yeah, you can hear.
Please send me today's recording link, please, because early morning some disturbance are for late, and yeah, your link is not joined properly for Satya.
Okay, okay,
So,
sure.
so please send it. And are you
Sorry?
whatever the discussion yesterday we have
Yes.
that you talk with Ram?
Yes, I spoke with Ram. Ram said okay.
Okay. And she's talking about practical. Then when we start it from tomorrow or Saturday is not
I think tomorrow
hello.
she will start.
Tomorrow she will start.
Yeah.
Okay. And when we got payment access,
Sorry? Hello?
we also need to practical. So when we got tenant access,
Yeah, after payment, we'll share with the tenant.
okay,
Yeah.
means we will start practice on from Sunday.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. She is asking for 6:15 from tomorrow.
Yeah. Actually, she's getting late, so she's asking at 6:15. You should try to join as early as possible if you.
Yes. 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 Okay, boss. Okay, chalo. Bye.